What's going on, guys? Throwers in a block back again. Time for a wash on the Yukon XL. I'll probably have to do a voiceover because the girls are playing over there, running into each other on their big wheels. What can I say? Anyway, we're going to be doing an undercarriage wash, full body wash, taking care of the wheels, getting everything cleaned up. We had a lot of salt out because it's wintertime. So I'll be using a ruler foam cannon. Thank you, ruler, for sending me that foam cannon, and undercarriage cleaner, and of course the Simpson 3100 psi 3000 psi pressure washer. You can see how thick that foam is when it comes out. Very, very nice coverage. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Very nice, very nice. I'm definitely satisfied. right, taking a look at Pearl. She does look spectacular. Oh, look, a bug. Wow. So clean, he had to go take a bath. That's what I'm talking about. So the ruler pressure washing, or the ruler foam cannon, did an excellent job. You can see this thing looks brand new. So very impressed with that. And you saw the first pass, I had a light amount of soap. I went back and changed my mixture a little bit. Got that nice thick foam laid up on the vehicle nicely, held in place so I could get everything washed off. And this is the result. So it does look great. Wait for everything to dry off and we'll finish detailing everything else out. But as far as that foam can is concerned, as far as I'm concerned, I'm very happy with it. Man. In fact, I even had some areas that dirt came out of that I've never had dirt come out of before on this thing when I was washing it. So that was a pretty good sign there. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this ruler foam cannon review video. My name's Erwin. This through was in a block. We're giving back what time is taken away. We'll see you soon.